is sportswear, and it's our brand name Flexi Force. It's our sports shoes basically. We are a startup which is trying to enter the shoe industry, directly competing with other big competitors like Nike, Puma, Adidas. Our brand Flexi Force is based on 5 people team, which is basically different organization like marketing, finance, research and development. Our product line is, we are dealing with only one product line is sports wear, sports shoes. Ample cushioning to absorb shocks. They will provide maximum heel control. They will help minimizing sports-related injuries. As you can see over here.
The features of our product is that we provide big range of colors, and the colors will help person to match their apparel. They're comfortable as well, feature absolutely most casual shoes as we are providing ample cushioning. We provide best quality standards, like the product will not get damaged very early. The shoes will provide you enough strength and grip that is defined from the name Flexi Force. We are targeting 4 market segments: sports people, elderly people, school students and youngsters. Shoes is the basic necessities for the sports people, so that they wear shoes for the long run. Elderly people, most of the nowadays elderly people have the problem in the knees and ankle, so they need comfortable shoes to remain fit. School students, nowadays school students cannot afford much do not like to spend more on the high branded products, as the shoe size keeps on increasing. As we provide a higher range of colors, youngsters prefer it more on the daily routine to go to the colleges and wear them.
Competitors are Adidas, Reebok and Nike. The product we are offering is similar to their product, but the price we are charging is much lower than them. We are charging around 1200 to 1500.
Minimizing input cost. For minimizing our input cost, we are importing the latest technology machines from China with 5-year replacement guarantee and 1-year replacement assistance. Within 4 years, we are expecting to hit the break-even point, that is no profit, no loss. Labor, we are first set up our plant in India to boost up the Make in India plan, and soon we are planning to set our secondary plant in Vietnam, because there we can get cheap labor and low rates of land, and for also employment generation in their country. Raw material. Our raw material is directly imported from Italy to maintain the quality standards. Rest will be locally sourced by the small scale industry.
So guys, now I will talk about our marketing plan. So we all know that for implementing our marketing strategies, we first need to understand what are the needs of the customers. As needs of the customers regularly changes, because sometimes they prefer Reebok, sometimes they prefer Nike, but it will never be stick to only one particular brand. So we are focusing our strategies to implement a product that is very cheaper price as compared to that other brands. So for implementing our marketing strategies, we are first analyzing that what actually the consumer needs in terms of their styles, looks, because whenever a customer enters into a shop, they first gradually looks at a product or shoes that is more stylish or that catches their eyes. So we are gradually focusing on 4 marketing segments. These are the 4 major sectors which we are preferring before starting our business. So first of all, we are focusing on advertising our product so that people can know about our product very well. And the next process we will be discussing about is that unique selling proposition through which a customer can actually determine that our product is better than theirs.
Last 1 minute.
Okay, sir. I'm not finished. Next point will be our marketing. Okay, you can get.
Our main focus will be more comfortable shoes with lower prices. Our branding strategies that will do in such a way that our brand image would be at best quality. Distribution channel, our distribution channel will be retail and online to beat our competitors.
Distribution network is basically used by all the companies to deliver their products to the customer. The customers can get their products when the network is fast and reliable.
What is it different about your product than other brands?
The price we are charging is lower than the price our competitors are charging, and the quality of our product
Is as same as the similar product that are Nike
they are
and
better. The cushion we provide,
lesser price. Can you
we quality is better. The cushioning in that shoe is better than the that our competitors are providing.
that good quality you can provide at a low cost? Yeah, because we are result in losses.
We are just launching our product, so we definitely cannot afford that much. So we know that our product is actually better.
B2.
So, on what basis you are segmenting and targeting your consumers?
We are looking forward towards youth. So basically, they buy our product more likely than any other product because sportswear is usually wear by our generation. So we are targeting those.
Car generation.